Wait, I forgot to do the intro. So I just. Alright, so yeah, this is episode number 3 of Zombies versus Villager. Right. So basically, in the last episode, I won't give you a recap because it's gonna give us a recap either way. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it, and let's watch. I would click the space button, but that just pauses it, so I'm gonna click Q, which does nothing. Alright, I guess this is a prison for zombies? Or something? Oh yeah, this guy saw the zombie villager, and then he rang the bell. That says to every other villager that there is a zombie in the house. Oh no! And again, I don't know if the bell existed when this was made, but that doesn't look like a bell. Why does my computer do this to me? What did I ever do to you, computer, other than smash you multiple times? They were playing Zombie Chase Villagers. I think that's what it's called. Just pray to God from the heavens that the villagers will not infect you or any other people. This is the witch mom. She's a very nice mother, even though she's a witch. So how does she see through that pumpkin? Or speak? Or talk? And how does her nose fit through the pumpkin too? Hey, what the heck are you doing here, zombie teacher? Where on God's green earth are you going? This is not on God's green earth. Alright. That's the sound of zombies. Oh no. 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 That's the sound of zombies breaking the window. That's the sound of zombies knocking on your door. That's the sound of zombies passing the prison. That's the sound of zombies knocking on your door. That's the sound of zombies. That's the sound of zombies. That's the sound of zombies knocking on your door. That's the sound of zombies. That's the sound. Wait, is that the drunk guy from the previous series? Yeah, this is definitely the old village from the previous series. To be honest, I think that was for the best. Oh, that's the sound of zombies eating your drunk neighbor. That's the sound of zombies knocking on your door. That's the sound of zombies breaking into your house. That's the sound of zombies breaking through your window. That's the sound of zombies knocking on your door. That's the sound of zombies walking through your streets. That's the sound of this guy doing the right thing. That's the sound of bees playing the bird. That's the sound of zombies. Won't come near them for long. That's the sound of zombies inside your house. That's the sound of zombies. I think it would be more effective to fold across it. It's the zombies. Because I think it's made of gold. Or iron. Or some sort of strong material. That's the sound of zombies knocking on your door. That's the sound of zombies knocking on your door while you sleep. That's the sound of zombies knocking on your door. That's the sound of zombies knocking at your door. That's the sound of zombies knocking at your door. While your witch mom sleeps in your dream world. The sound of zombies walking in your streets. That's the sound of zombies walking in your streets. That's the sound of lights. The sound of zombies outside your house. That's the sound of zombies outside your house. That's the sound of zombies getting hypnotized. That's the sound of zombies getting hypnotized. Oh, what the heck just happened? Yes, the song did end, but what just happened? That's the sound of zombies knocking on your door. That's the sound of zombies knocking on your door. That's the sound of villagers hiding underneath. That's the sound of zombies breaking into your house. I don't think that's gonna work. But zombies do not have brains, so it potentially could work, okay? That's the sound of zombies realizing you're not weak. That's the sound of zombies rolling at you. Yes, I will be singing for the rest of this episode. That's the sound of zombies who's getting attacked. That's the sound of villagers running out of their house. Which probably isn't that much of a good idea because the zombie is outside anyway. That's the sound of that's the sound of zombies eating brains. No, I shouldn't be singing because this is actually quite sad. I'll stop singing. Right? He's running faster than a villager can run. Alright. Zombies are pretty dumb. They do not notice him. That's the sound of... No, I won't sing again. Is he gonna throw the... I thought he was gonna throw the wheat on the zombies, but he's just gonna tie it as a wheat block. He goes inside the entire wheat block, as he just did. It is a good idea. It's much better than hiding behind wheat. Which, to be fair, isn't the worst idea a man has ever had. Oh no, he got hypnotized. No. No, it's okay, which mother? You did not mean to do it on purpose, so it is. Oh no. 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 What has happened to him? What has happened to him? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you're having a good day and see ya. It's sad.